Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Venus in the sign of Aquarius, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Knight of Swords. So I see a lot of communication going on. I see somebody being a little too aggressive or a little too eager to kind of move into a relationship. So if you are single, I feel like either you are pursuing someone, like a crazy person, or this person is stalking you like crazy. But there is absolutely somebody, who is going a little nuts about you. The next card that I have for you is the Lover. So this confirms 100% stalking. People are checking you out. People, or maybe that particular person is checking you out, checking out you out on Instagram, on Facebook, on any other social apps that you are using. There's also a possibility that you met somebody who has a very strong air sign in their chart. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So this is the reading for Aquarius. So that's crazy, right? And then somebody, and you have moved into a relationship very quickly. It's like you met this person. It's not even been more than 6 months, and you feel like you are lovers, you are meant to be together, and this is the energy you are in. Like, for all the people who are in a situationship. Why do I call it a situationship? Because maybe officially you're not in a relationship, and some people don't like to put the tag of relationship. At the bottom of the deck, the energy I have for you is the Emperor card. So the Emperor card here tells me, somebody is a little assertive. Despite, wanting to move forward, somebody is very adamant, very determined that this is what I want. Like, at any cost, I am going to make this relationship work. So it's like, they're very focused on taking this relationship to the next level. The next card I have for you is the Five of Pentacles, which tells me, despite things moving very quickly, whatever your situation is, there could be trouble related to finances or the careers, or having a very realistic plan about this relationship, or the future of this relationship together. What happens is, sometimes you bump into people and instantly they're a connection, but at times this person is in a relationship, or this person lives in a different country, so the chances of meeting somebody through social media are also very strong because of the Swords card. The next card that I have for you is the Three of Cups. Like, despite being this, I think you are enjoying this time that you are spending right now with this person. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Temperance card. So Temperance card tells me that you're maintaining balance, because that makes it two cups. So I feel like emotions are there. This person actually feels something for you. Now, this is for those people, those singles, or those people in a situationship. Now, for all the other people who are in a committed relationship, or again a situationship, the next possibility for you guys is that you have been together, you fell in love, everything was going well. Suddenly, you kind of realized over the period of time, when your honeymoon period got over, that um this person is a little authoritative. This person has experience. Maybe the person you're with is already married, or was married in the past, or had a serious relationship in the past. So they have sort of gone through this whole concept of being in a relationship. And what is happening right now is that this kind of the interest is not consistent. So maybe some person is not showing equal amount of affection as you expected, or as you wanted. And this is happening, why? Because the honeymoon period is over, and now you guys have to get a little realistic and figure out your own interest. Because when you come in a relationship, there is you, there is your partner, and then there's you both as a couple. So these three things are separate, and what is going on right now is that you're trying to balance it out. Maybe you guys are too focused on your careers and networking, or growing, that, like, working with everyone else, that you're not giving each other a lot of time like you used to when you initially started dating or hanging out. The next card that I have for you guys is the Page of Cups. So Page of Cups tells me there's going to be a good news coming your way, possibly next month. So no, next month is April, so by May. I feel like May is an important month. Next 5 months from whenever you see this reading, you can expect 3 to 5 months from now, when you see this reading, or whenever you see this reading, just take it in the next 3 to 5 months. There's going to be a good news or a positive news or an offer coming your way. I don't feel like, I see a serious commitment yet. Like, I see the person offering you commitment, but it does seem like, they are actually going to express their feelings. So that is some sort of positivity coming your way. All right, let's pull a few more cards and let's see what is going on in this relationship or situationship for you. The next card that I have for you is the Justice card, which means like whatever is going on right now, you're going to figure it out, and things are finally going to make sense. So if you have been loyal, if you have been consistent, and if you are going out of your way to make sure this relationship survives, it is going to survive and nobody is going to stop it. So it's like, the angels are with you, everything is with you, and you're going to have a very calm and a quiet decision about it. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Swords card, which tells me despite the little bit of conflicts, or the mental things that you're thinking about, the stress from this relationship is finally going to be over. But my advice to you would be to be a little cautious. Now, let's come back and take a different view of this entire reading using the energy at with the cards that we pulled from the bottom of the deck. Now we have the Emperor, we have the Temperance, and we have the Five of Swords. So in your reading, just a little bit of tidbit when it comes to tarot reading, these are major arcana, which means these two cards are going to have a big impact on your reading. So we have the Emperor card and we have the Temperance card. Now the Emperor, because it has the experience, like either you or your person has the experience in the relationship. That means they know when to offer, when to apologize. They know when to come back and say sorry. So if things have happened in the past that you're not happy about, I told you, right, 3 to 5 months there's going to be an offer. So that offer could also be that this person is going to come back and they're going to apologize to you. They're going to say, I am sorry that I didn't pay attention to you, or just apologize for whatever has happened in the past, because this is a card of reconciliation, it's a card of healing, and definitely you guys are going to heal. Now, from the Love Tarot, it says, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So remember, I told you when you had like a sort of idea about how your relationship should be, and I told you to have an open mind. Well, right here, it's again here. So you have to be open to differences. Doesn't mean the person doesn't love you. It's just that your honeymoon period is over and you're moving towards, more realistic relationship. And then I have make an effort. Remember when I told you, if you have made consistent efforts in the relationship, everything is going to balance it out. And that is exactly what this card is saying. Make an effort and everything will work out. Just because you're going through a little down phase in your relationship, it doesn't mean this person does not love you. It just means that as a relationship is progressing, you are trying to get to know each other on a different level. Let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.